Hi everyone, Guillaume from Ideal Cargo. I hope you're doing well. So today we're going to show you how to install E-track or any kind of shelving into our new EvoCore trailer line with the new GreenEdge technology. So our new wall are made, like you said, of biocomposite. So right now we're going to show you how to install something into the wall. So what you need first, two-way tape, 3M or Tessa tape like this. You need wood screw with some pretty good screw, 3/4 inch with the hexagonal head tape to make your measurement into the wall. So, and a drill. So right now, take your measurement. To have the track at 36 inches center, your measurement need to be at 33.5 inch. So the center of the track is going to be at 36. So what you do, you install the two-way tape directly into the track like this, all along on the track on each side. You take it off, the little blue plastic protection into the two-way tape like this. Okay, so my colleague's gonna give me a hand because we have a 14 E-track long. So Sebastian's gonna fix at first. Are you okay?
Yeah.
So I'm gonna make sure that my side is okay. So we only have to push into the track like this. So what is cool with the E-track, so you just have to fix it like this, and with the two-way tape, the E-track holding by itself. So after this, wood screws. Just make sure to secure the front E-track first. After this, you do it at the rear. After this, you go into like a W shape. So just pass an hole on every screw. It's enough. So we work with the Composite Development Center to make sure that all this new technology are rugged. And you're going like this, and on every two hole. So I hope you enjoyed the video. And in conclusion, if you use the right component, like the right two-way tape and the right screw to install E-track or any kind of shelving, like I said, you can use like a angle like this to fix some shelving or start some shelving. So two-way tape, you can fix aluminum angle like this, full length, two-way tape with screws, and you can start fixing any kind of shelving this way or that way, no problem. So if you use the right component with the new EvoCore and GreenEdge wall, two-way tape and screws, no problem. So it's strong enough to hold, like it's stronger than the last version, with the advantage that the screws was well on every 16 inches. So really, really strong. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you have other questions, don't hesitate, just give us a shot directly at Ideal Cargo. Thank you.